Hi, in this lecture we are going to discuss organizing and how to organize. In planning, you developed your strategies and tactics. Now what you have to do is you have to organize. What we mean by organizing is that you have to identify different activities, classify and group them, and see how you can synchronize the resources, men, money, machine, and materials, and then assign each group to a manager with authority necessary to supervise it. Means you should delegate it. Needless to say that those activities should be similar in nature so that they can be synchronized. Also keep in view the provision for coordination, how the activities can be coordinated horizontally and vertically in the organizational structure.
Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, click the link below in the description box.